Welcome to How to Tyler the Creator, a comprehensive guide to artistic realization with your host, Hands, aka Little Touch, aka the creators, aka the ones who put the beat in, aka...
Okay, dude, stop.
So please, put your hands together for Hands!
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Hi, very kind. Thank you, everybody. Okay, stop. So, we all know Tyler. Some would say he's a creator, others would say he's a provocator. I know, I would say they're haters. But to me, Tyler is an individual who definitely continuously seeks to unapologetically and truthfully and definitely develop endlessly the end of mediocrity through his art. And you see, that's something that I utterly appreciate about the art and the act of artistic realization. It is within our best self-interest to understand the intricate topography within the aspects of the inner world as it reflects our utmost temporal selves through the structure of contemporary impromptu space as it develops. Layman terms, I know, but timeless nonetheless.
Meat and potatoes time.
Alright everyone, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the Tyler episode show. Begin by writing down your motif on a piece of paper. What's a motif? Good question. What's a motif? A motif is simply a recurring musical or literary idea that helps us establish a story's mood theme. Now, the mark of a great artist is one that can say something new, using the same old somethings, such as in Tyler's 2017 hit album, The Flower Man, where the motif is the flowers and man. So pick a motif that touches you, and start questioning why it did that, and then tell it to ask for consent next time, preferably on 4/4 time and 80 BPM. Hit it, Lil Touch. Now, before we drop some bars, we need to talk about chords. And to help, we've got Tyler the Creator himself as our guest tonight. Give it up for Tyler, everybody!
Dude.
Tyler, I've always wanted to ask, where would you look whenever you listen to beautiful chord progressions, and would you cry?
I would just look at the sky, and I would cry because the chords would just do something to me.
Yes, interesting. Well, today we're gonna write some chords in honor of those who cry. So come on down to the old piano, everybody. So I've heard rumors that a lot of people don't like chords. And what I have to say to those people is, you don't like yourself. You see, much like yourself, chords are the backdrop to life. So let's show a little appreciation for you and your chords. First, pick a key. Let's go with C sharp. That note is your new home. Now, let's say you went on a stroll up to G sharp street. And now you're trying to get back home in the shortest amount of steps possible, or whatever, there are no rules. So you just go down the scale, and home you are. Now start adding more notes. And then you add more notes. And you sneak in a little bit of sevenths. And now you have a progression. Now let's progress to a bass line that has notes within the chords and just Lastly, we're going to need a synthesizer because it's not Tyler the Creator unless you have a synthesizer in the mix. So we're going to go ahead and ask a member from the audience to give us a hand with this and make it a little bit more interactive. Come on down. Go ahead and play that for us whenever you get the chance. So now that all of the instrumentation is in place and we have something resembling a 4-bar loop, it's time to bring the beat back in and get into the state of mind. We're dropping some proper bars. So...
Al, you hurt me. How could you do this to me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't expect you...
I thought we were friends. I'm in pain.
I'm so sorry. What have I done? I've inflicted pain onto someone else with my hands? Who am I? Am I a pair of fists? An anti-creator? A big old touch?
Are you what you do every time it's okay? Eating from the hand that feeds you only when it's pure. To the bee sting, too cold outside to go pay. Are you what you do? Okay. Just some lips who got some chords who got some hands who got somebody who got demands. Is it used to faring beaches and neverlands? Or is it custom to deflecting the times it can? Boy, you really what have you done? Are you somebody? No. nothing to show, bro.
This video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you like learning new skills, why don't you make 2020 a year where you explore new talents and deepen existing passions and get lost in creativity? If you're anything like me, you like learning new things. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers memberships with meaning. With so much to explore, real projects to create, and the support of fellow creatives, Skillshare empowers you to accomplish real growth. With classes designed for real life, you can move your creative journey forward without putting life on hold. Personally, I really liked a class called Learn How to Master Songs Like a Pro All From Home by Young Guru. This one actually taught me what mastering is and why it's important to understand your physical space. Skillshare is also incredibly affordable, especially when compared to pricey in-person classes and workshops. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. The first 500 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get 2 months of premium membership so you can explore your creativity.